we doing today, Julie?
We are laying wreaths across America today.
And what is that?
At noon today, there's a program that started specifically at noon, not a minute later, and we're laying wreaths on the veterans' graves to remember our veterans. So what we did was we laid the wreaths, we said their names, saluted, and walked on.
It's all volunteers. It's all done by donations. It's called Wreaths Across America. And it's a great organization to donate to donate your time, your money. I think they said this is the first year of the 3 years they've done it here that they have had 100% enough for each grave, right? Wreaths for each grave.
Every single veteran.
In Okeechobee County.
In Okeechobee County. Yes.
So it's a good thing.
It's awesome.
But
now, there should be one near you. The wreaths, I think, to sponsor a wreath, it's $15. Or you can, sponsor several wreaths.
But you can also find it online, right?
Yes, you can find it online. We'll look up the link and post it in with this.
Pretty sure it's Wreaths Across America.
I don't know, something.
Well, I think it's .com. But anyways.
But you can hashtag
we'll put it down below.
Wreaths Across America too.
Yeah, hashtag #, whichever one you like.
Yeah.
It doesn't take a combat veteran to receive honor. It doesn't. Every man and woman laid to rest in this county and in this country, and those that couldn't make it back to this country, demand our respect. So from a heartfelt, for those of you that aren't vets, I have to say thank you. Thank you for being here. Look around you. You people make this happen. No one else. So thank you very much. And Mr. Whittington, I want you to know, when your day isn't here any longer, and my day isn't here, and someday when your day isn't here, this will go on. People are going to respect us in this manner. We will make sure of that. But thank you all. Thank you all very much. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I promise you don't want me to sing, so here you go, Mr.
Sergeant Entry, U.S. Army.
Edward Keith Sharp, U.S. Army.
Maria Jeffers.
You like? Yeah. But we are going to get out of here.
Yeah, we had a whole big group today.
I think there was, how many? 1,500, 1,100?
1,200 is what they needed for this cemetery.
For this cemetery. I'm amazed there's that many veterans in this cemetery in Okeechobee. And there's 3 in Okeechobee, but each grave, let me show you one real quick. Each veteran in this cemetery has that white cross, and in front of that white cross they put a stick, and then you put the wreath down, and then you salute him and say his name and whatever else you want to say with him. But
so
they're
what are the white crosses for here?
For the veterans, to show they're veterans.
No, it's so they have a place to put their flags for, Veterans Day and Memorial.
Oh, is that what it is? I didn't know that. Yeah. So you just right in here you can see, maybe not with this GoPro, but there's a lot of them. And this, I wouldn't say this is a huge cemetery, but it's big enough.
It took us an hour.
Yeah, it took us an hour, and I don't know, probably 100 people or better.
Maybe.
Yep. All right, so That's what we did on our Saturday.
Yay!
Christmas is right around the corner.
Merry Christmas to y'all. Hope you're ready.
Yeah.
It's coming whether you are or not.
It is. And it'll go past if you're ready or not. Hey, we'll see you guys. Hit the like button.
Thumbs up.
Facebook.
Instagram.
We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye.